Second exercise we do prior to your adjustment is mobility exercises of the mid to lower back. We do 3 different motions: side to side, forward and back, and rotation. This improves balance and coordination. It increases the cerebral spinal fluid and nutrition that goes to your brain. It helps hydrate the discs of the lower back, which is the most common area to have degeneration and disc issues. And it brings the oxygen and blood flow to the surrounding tissues of your mid to lower back. By doing both the neck traction and the wobble exercise prior to your adjustment, it helps you get the best adjustment possible. Now we're going to go over and go through the different types of adjustments that we do for different cases.